Well, this is the base for the Craftsman table saw that we're unfortunately letting rust on the backyard, but we're gonna derust it pretty soon. I think it came out pretty good. We got some chips on the paint because it's just spray paint. She's coming pretty nice. I'm no Jimmy DiResta, but I do what I can with my limited resources. I think it's come along really nice. I couldn't have done it. Sorry about this. Kind of moving around. I couldn't have done it without this guy. I really love this toy. I just got this. It's $90. Lot of fun. Whole lot of fun. And this is oak. So I had some nails come out, but this dude is pretty cool. I'm not huge into name brands, like promoting name brands, but this was a fun tool. So if you're gonna do woodwork, which I don't do that much of, definitely get some kind of finish nailer. It helps a lot when you're gluing up. So that's about it, I guess. Legs are all cast iron. They're 2-piece and stainless hardware. We still got some holes to put in, stainless hardware. So the bottom tray is fastened. That's going to help the legs from kicking out. But yeah, it's coming along.